Hey guys, welcome back to Sean Does DIY. Folks over at Atomstack sent me this laser engraving machine. They asked me to do a review, so what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it, we're going to put it together, we're going to test it out and see how it works. All right guys, let's get started. What we got here is the Atomstack P7 M30 portable laser engraving machine. Now on the box it says it'll do wood, paper, acrylic, cloth, rubber, leather, bamboo, metal, slate, all kinds of stuff. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pull it out of the box, put it together, and try it out. So let's see what we got here. If I can figure out how to get the box open. Oh, there we go. All right, what we got here? We got, looks like a piece of, okay, this is the cutting mat. In cutting, please put this mat under the object to prevent damage to the tabletop. Please tear off the surface and protective film before use. Cool. Looks like it's packaged pretty nice. Got some desiccant, instruction manual. Move this over here. We got a USB cable. Got some goodies. Power cable. Power block. This looks important. If I can get it out of here. Okay, there we go. Oh, looks like the laser, or actually looks like the motor. That looks like the laser. Got a stand, side piece it looks like. Another side piece. This is packaged really well. Looks like the carriage. Find a place to put it where it doesn't get messed up. All right, anything else down in here? Oh, some stuff here. Looks like legs. I don't see anything else down in here. Of course, we'll hang on to the box for a while, just in case we put it together. Something's missing here. So, cool. Oh, piece of foam there. All right, let's see what we got here. Doesn't look too complicated. The USB cable, need the laser, I'll leave it in its packaging for now. User manual. All right, class 4 laser stuff, security stuff, disclaimers. All right, engraving machine introduction. So let's see what we got here. So we got the scroll wheel axis and the motor, synchronization belt looks like it's already installed, so that's cool. Control box, yep. Laser module, obviously. All right, support frames, etc. All right, assembly. See what kind of tools we're going to need here, I wonder. Looks like it might actually come with some wrenches. Let's take a see what we got in this box, in this little bag here. Looks like we got some fabric. Oh look, they got the step 2, that's pretty cool. Nice label, step 4, step 5, step 3. Looks like they sent us some little pieces of wood and acrylic that we can maybe test out with. Put that over there for now. We got a little brush. Got some zip ties. Let me bust this zip tie loose here. We got a wrench, a 10mm and an 8mm wrench, some hex keys, and a little marker pen thing. All right, cool. Step 1. As shown in figure 1, push the X-axis assembly along the dotted line. These instructions are pretty good so far. All right, so we want to shove this guy through here, it looks like. Watch out for the little control cable here. Make sure it goes through. There we go. That's pretty tight. There's not a lot of slop. It feels like it's going to roll pretty good. I'm not going to do any zip ties and stuff just yet. I just want to see how everything rides before I do anything. Okay, that's it. It's assembled. And like I said, we can clean all these cables up once we get it running. Looks like there's a spot here to at least put this guy on so it doesn't pull. But I will watch closely on that before we do that. Got our sample stuff, got our USB cable. All right, so the next step is to do get software and test it out here. Sweet. All right, so there you go. Assembled, ready to go. Get a computer, we'll fire it up, see how it goes. Sweet. Okay guys, we got it all set up and assembled, ready to go. We're just gonna do a quick test. I just got a piece of poplar that I had some scrap laying around. Just cut it a little piece and we're gonna throw it under there and see what happens. I got laser GRBL on the computer and I'm just gonna use my SeanDoesDIY logo. See what happens. Now you can get onto the Atomstack website and they have a PDF you can download. It tells you the different settings for cutting and engraving on different types of material. I'm not going to go too much into it, but it's right there. I'll put a link down in the description below. Yeah, I think we're going to see what happens here. All right, I'm going to hit play. Here we go. It's moving. It's pretty cool looking. Trying not to look at the laser beam. Looks like you probably wouldn't want to do this in a house or inside. I mean, maybe it depends on. It's kind of smoking a little bit while it's burning the wood. Not too bad out here in the garage. Got the door open, so. It's pretty cool, man. Definitely going to want to try all these other materials that it says it does. We got, here's the little pieces that came with it. Some fabric. I'll have to get some like acrylic and glass or something. See what it does. Yeah, man, that looks pretty cool. Try cutting through stuff. Maybe we can try cutting through this at some point. See what that does. Not really sure what these are. Different types of acrylic, I guess. Okay. Cool. It says it's going to take about 30 minutes. Okay. So we'll come back in 30 minutes to see what it looks like. Cool. Look at that. That looks pretty good. I like it. Does it look like me? Get my hammer. There you go, guys. That's the Atomstack P7 M30 portable laser engraving machine. I gotta say, this is a pretty cool little piece of equipment, and I'm really looking forward to getting into it, learning more about laser engraving. I need to get into that software, learn how to use it. I need to just find out more about laser engraving in general. You know, getting the settings right for doing acrylic and metal and plastic and all this other stuff, because I definitely want to play with it and see how well it works. I got some ideas of the stuff I can do with this thing, and I'm looking forward to it. So look for more videos in the future as I get more into this, learn how to use the thing properly. But I gotta say, it's pretty cool. It's a great little machine. I recommend it if you're something you're interested in getting into, especially at the intro level. It's pretty much plug and play, and that the laser GRBL software. It's free, yeah, so cool. All right, guys, the Atomstack P7 M30, pretty cool little machine. All right, we'll see you next time. Hey, I forgot to tell you, don't throw away the little stands you used for putting this thing together, because they have these little notches in them, and if you're doing a bigger piece of material, you can stack them like so, and voila, now you can put a bigger piece of material into there. Also, I'll put a link down in the description below. There is another video that's a more detailed, longer video of actually assembling the thing. So cool. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.